Bmw Automatic Parking and Backup Assistant are available in the Parking Assistance Plus package. Let's put it to the test. To initiate automatic parking, you want to click into the parking sensor button. Once the button is activated, check to make sure automatic parking is on. Now that the vehicle is in automatic parking mode, slowly drive past your desired parking spot. Once the vehicle discovers that it is a suitable parking spot, wait for the parking symbol to display on the screen. Follow the directions on the top of the screen, then select the available parking spot. The blinker automatically turns itself on. Slowly release the brake and allow the vehicle to park itself. The vehicle is making the maneuvers to correctly get into the parking spot we chose. The vehicle has successfully backed into a suitable parking space. Thank you for watching. I'm Tristan. For more tutorials, follow us on our social media platforms, BMW of Bakersfield on Facebook, Instagram, and YouTube.